The ICT Unicorn Model. This is a trading strategy using concepts by the Inner Circle Trader, better known as ICT. This trading strategy combines two key concepts from ICT's teachings: breaker blocks and fair value gaps. If you're not familiar with breaker blocks or fair value gaps, I will leave a link in the description to a guide that explains how to find them and trade with them. The ICT Unicorn trade setup is easy to find and only requires 3 steps. I'll show you how to find a bullish or long setup and a bearish or sell setup. For a bullish ICT Unicorn setup, you want to first look for a lower low followed by a higher high. Then look for a bullish breaker block that overlaps a bullish fair value gap. Once you've spotted this area, wait for price to come down and retest the zone. You can set your stop loss at the low of the candle that created the fair value gap and take a 2 risk to reward trade. For a bearish ICT Unicorn setup, you want to first look for a higher high followed by a lower low. Then look for a bearish breaker block that overlaps a bearish fair value gap. Once you've spotted this area, wait for price to come up and retest the zone. You can set your stop loss at the high of the candle that created the fair value gap and take a 2 risk to reward trade. To enhance this strategy, you can also incorporate a daily bias. Essentially, this means you will decide if the market is bullish or bearish for that day. There are multiple ways you can choose from when analyzing your daily bias. For simplicity, we like to use a higher time frame change of character, or CHOCH. If your bias is bullish, you will only look for long trade opportunities or buys. If your bias is bearish, you will only look for short trade opportunities or sells. I know this was a lot of information, but don't worry. To simplify all of this, I developed an indicator that automates this entire ICT Unicorn Model strategy. Just go to TradingView and search for the ICT Unicorn Indicator by Flux Charts. This indicator will find the ICT Unicorn Model setup for you. It will find the fair value gaps and breaker blocks that overlap. It will also show you buy signals, sell signals, where to take profit, and where to set your stop loss. There are a lot more features in this indicator as well, and the best part is it's completely free. I'll leave a link to the indicator in the description. Also, make sure to join our free Discord server with over 8,000 members, where we share trade ideas, free indicators, and daily live streams of our trading sessions. That's all for today's video. If you learned something new, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.